Allie, and I travel all around the world to learn about amazing places, cultures, food, and animals. Want to come along with me? Let's go! Today we're going to Brazil! The land of rainforest, soccer, and the biggest party in the world, Carnival! Brazil is the biggest country in South America. Should we sing our song about South America to help us remember? All right, let's do it. There are 12 countries and 1 foreign territory. That makes a total of 13. The foreign territory is French Guiana. Now let's learn the name of the 12 countries. Are you ready? Here we go. Samba. Bolivia, Brazil, and Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Paraguay, Uruguay, Suriname, Guyana, Peru, Venezuela. That was so much fun. Let's do it again. Do you remember the name of the French territory? French Guiana. That's right. Now, here comes the 12 countries. Are you ready? Here we go. Bolivia, Brazil, and Argentina, Chile, Colombia, and Ecuador, Paraguay, Uruguay, Suriname, Guyana, Peru, Venezuela, South America, Samba. Brazil's flag is green with a big yellow diamond in the middle. Inside the diamond is a blue circle with 27 white stars and a white banner across it that says Ordem e Progresso, which means order and progress in Portuguese. The green stands for Brazil's forest. The yellow represents its gold and natural riches. The blue circle is like the night sky over Rio de Janeiro. The 27 stars represent all of Brazil's states and its capital city. Brazil's flag is one of the most colorful flags in all of the world. It's home to the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest has monkeys, jaguars, and parrots. Brazil throws a huge party every year with costumes and dancing and music. But where is Brazil? Oh no, it's flat again. We'll have to blow it up. I gotta blow up my globe. Okay, let's take a look at our globe and find out where Brazil is. Brazil is in the continent of South America, next to the Atlantic Ocean. Here is the equator. It runs right through the very top of Brazil, which makes Brazil in the southern hemisphere. I know. Let's sing our equator song. The equator line is in the middle of the earth, the middle of the earth, the middle of the earth. The equator line is in the middle of the earth, the line that wraps around. Near the equator it is hot, it is hot, it is hot. Near the equator it is hot, it's where the sun shines down. Africa and South America sit on the line, sit on the line, sit on the line. So do parts of Asia, they sit on the line. The equator line wraps all around. Above the line is north, below is south. Say it loud. North and the line is north, below is south. The equator line wraps all around. Now that we know where we're going, let's pack. First up, a little travel buddy, our poison dart frog. There's tons that live in the Amazon rainforest. Of course, our camera, so we can take lots of pictures of all the cool things we're gonna see. Passport, check. And a soccer ball. Almost every kid in Brazil plays soccer. They play soccer everywhere. The beaches, the streets, anywhere there's space and a ball. Also, they don't call it soccer in Brazil. They call it football. All right, my bags are packed and I'm ready to Samba! Let's go! My bags are packed and I'm ready to go. My bags are packed and I'm ready to go. My bags are packed and I'm ready to go! I'm going on an adventure. I'm going on an adventure. Why don't you come with me? Why don't you come with me? I've got my bags packed. I've got my bags packed. I'm going on an adventure. Let's go! Wow, welcome to the Amazon rainforest. Look at all the trees. And they go on forever. It's home to over 3 million different types of plants and animals and 2.5 different types of insects. Wow. All right, little travelers, let's go see what else we can find. This is called a berimbau. It's a special instrument from Brazil, and it only has one string. You hit the string with a stick, and it makes a twangy sound. Boing! I love the sound it makes. This music is often played with capoeira. Capoeira is like a mix of karate, gymnastics, and dancing all in one. The players kick and flip and cartwheel, while musicians and singers keep the rhythm. Pretty cool, right? Let's go see what's next.
Hello, my name is Jacqueline and we speak Portuguese here in Brazil. Olá means hello. Can you try it? Olá. Boys say obrigado for thank you, and girls say obrigada. Can you try that one? Obrigado, boys, and girls, obrigada. Good job. To say let's go, we say vamos. Time to explore Brazil. Vamos? And when we leave, we say tchau for bye. Can you say that with me? Ciao.
My bag's packed, I'm going on an adventure. Let's go! Okay, friends, now that we're in Brazil, it's time to move our bodies. One of the most famous dances here in Brazil is called the Samba. And guess what? You can do it right along with me. So first, let's listen to the music. Now we're gonna step it out. We're gonna move one foot out and back together. Step one foot out and back together. Can you do that? One foot out and back together. All right. Now the Samba is all about having fun. So you can move your hands however you like. You can wiggle your shoulders. can even put a little bounce in your step. Woohoo! Samba! You're doing the samba! Samba! Yay! What a trip! We danced at Carnival, explored the rainforest, watched Capoeira. Don't forget to stamp your passport and color in the flag. Do you remember what colors the Brazilian flag are? Green, yellow, blue, and white. Stick around for our silly blooper reel. And if you want to continue the adventure, ask a parent or grown-up to download your free printable and activities below. Where should we go next? See you next time, travel friends. Allie around the blooper world. Sometimes she's a silly girl. She might jump when she should twirl. Allie around the blooper world. 2.5 million bugs. Let's do that again. Brazil is in the southern hemisphere. Oh, it's kind of big for my backpack. Capoeira. Play the Berimbau. I don't know if I'm saying these right. Play the Berimbau. The Berimbau. 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 Bow. Berimbau. The Berimbau. One of those has got to be right.